Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to make myself a homemade sausage sandwich. This is 2 Farmer John sausages, and I fried those. I flattened them like 2 pieces of bacon because I want to make myself a sausage sandwich, a homemade sausage sandwich. They're getting pricey, for a sausage and egg sandwich, They're very cheap to make. They take you a couple minutes to make them, but they're not expensive to make. So I had a little evaporated milk and 1 egg. That's going to make a good sandwich. There's all ways to make them, but this is going to be good. And then I always have cheese in my freezer. So the Farmer John sausage is, you get 8 for $1, so for 2 is 25 cents. The eggs are about 18 cents each. The buns are 12, and I have hamburger buns. I can't find what I did with my biscuits. And cheese, a little cheese does not cost much. So this is going to be a good little sausage sandwich. Okay, so over here, I hope everyone is doing okay. Over here, I have a little tea. This stuff is mild and no caffeine. So when I make my own sandwich, it's going to be a bigger sandwich than when you buy them. I put a little crushed red pepper and black pepper on my sausage. Let me move back over here. When you buy them out, they're rather small. I don't know how they can be smaller than 1 egg. I mean, you know what I mean? I took most of the sausage grease out. I don't like it too greasy. I think I can flip it pretty much. What I like on my eggs is I like some hot sauce on my eggs. So, see how this is a pretty big portion of eggs? So, there's no way this sandwich cost me more than $1 to make. There's a tiny bit of milk. You know what makes the 3-day challenges so difficult? It's hard to buy fruit by the piece, but out here we have produce markets, and you can actually buy a piece of meat by the piece, the 1/4 pound even, if you go to a meat market. For $1, these are pretty good. If you buy the eggs, if you can find the eggs for $1 and the sausage for $1, and you buy some kind of bread, I was thinking the hamburger buns are kind of good in a way. They're almost done, because then you have yourself a nice sandwich. Okay, my sandwich is looking good. So I toasted my hamburger bun. I bought these at Walmart. These weren't $1. They were 84 cents. I'm gonna go get one of these sausage sandwiches like this. And you know, you can have a little hot sauce. So this has to do with the video I did, the 10 cheap meals. And then I have something else. Remember this? This is the Walmart brownie with peanut butter. Now this I didn't lose in my freezer. Peanut butter frosting. I just made that last night. So this is for, so you're trying to figure out cheap low cost meals. Look at this. That's good. And the tea is cheap. 5 cents bag. This was a half batch of brownies for 44 cents. And then, you know, they give you peanut butter at the food bank. One thing they don't give you, I mean, usually is eggs. So what you want to do is you want to locate eggs and meat. I'd say probably the smart thing to do is get meat, eggs, cheese, and milk. And then fill the rest in with the food bank. I'm going to be working on this for a while. You know, I see a lot of evidence of malnutrition, and you don't have to be poor to have malnutrition either. Okay, you guys, I posted my fried chicken recipe on my Twitter. Go to Rhoda Stone Twitter. I posted my waffle recipe on there, and God bless you all.